on me now, and I'm close to the ground to the camera and catch this. I ain't texting a couple of hours, she call me and tell me that she feel neglected. I done took me a piece of her ass, understand what she and I'm texting my ex, bitch. I can get them sent right to your door.
We got a GT to your head.
In the cup with a model, a zoo about a bottle. I buy all the mall just to fix it. Really come from the bottom, I could've got shot up. I know for a fact it's a blessing.
What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Still in Miami, if you guys been watching the past few videos. This one is gonna be the kind of morning, afternoon, and then now we're gonna go bike down to South Beach because we have a beautiful path here at the Fontainebleau that just goes all the way to South Beach. So we're gonna pick up some bikes, go to South Beach, grab a bite, come back. I'll be honest, guys, I missed my trade opportunity. So let's start right away with the trade. You can see the only opportunity I saw is, look how beautifully it touched that first presented. Literally, I love how this indicator shows the 50% and draws it automatically. That would have been the entry right there at the 50%, stop above the full first presented gap. And then you're targeting this, probably the half of this imbalance right there for about a 10 to 1. That's a 901 risk to reward ratio and 140 points. So that is part of my model. I do trade the first presented, and fortunately I just missed it, guys. It is what it is. We got plenty of more opportunity. That's what I love about trading, is that the market is always there. The market never leaves. So I literally don't have FOMO that way, because I know I just bang another trade the next day or a couple days later. So that's how you have to think about it. But yeah, but I do want to show you guys something cool that is related to trading. Let me show you guys. All right, you guys know I have a younger bro. Finally put him on trading. Already on Express account too. So we got him on Express account. We passed your funded in like under a week, and
a few hundred as well.
Already up a few hundred. And it's been only a few days. So, but now we could run up trading together with my bro and get some payouts, come to Miami and do how we do it. Got some pineapple water before we leave. Look at the view, boys. Beautiful bike path. This guy just took off. All right, we made it, boys. And look who's at the end.
You gotta do 50 push-ups.
John, you gotta do 50 push-ups on the camera. Gonna get a quick drink. And then we just want something calm for lunch, a little maybe Cuban sandwich. And then, cause yeah, we're probably gonna eat out again tonight. This looks mad good, bro. Got a Cuban sandwich, of course. It's just like, kind of have to do that when you're in South Beach. All of us got the same shit. And then we're gonna eat this because we're super hungry. We haven't ate all morning. It's 2 o'clock. Nice little Maybach SUV. Yo, low-key gonna turn this into another just day in the life here in Miami. Cause why not do a little longer video? But yeah, we got all dressed up. We're gonna go back into Brickell, do another little Moxie's run before, because tonight it's looking like a fun night. We might pop into Live on Thursday. Why not? And then my boy's gonna meet us down at Moxie's with his Lambo. So hopefully we get a little rip in that. Show you guys a little bit of, I think it's a Technica. I've actually never been in a Huracan Technica yet. But also, our Uber driver is a pickup truck. I've never had a pickup truck for an Uber, so it's kind of sick. But let's see how it goes. There we go. Got a black truck, come on. Bro over there just got pulled over. He literally just ripped, I think it's like a Ultimate or Aventador S or something. Super loud, thought it was SVJ. Bro, and he just got pulled over. Like, come on, allow the guy. Damn. Aventador got pulled over. That thing sounded so nice though.
I think that's an Aventador S.
That's my boy, come on, look at that shit. That's fucking clean, bro. Jeez. Alright, he's gonna go find parking, then we're gonna go meet up with him at Moxie's. That's a 6-pack. Alright, boys, how to get the best pre-drink possible. Almost done the espresso martini, first one.
Oh no, you already.
This guy already finished. Yeah, we gotta get some more of these in our system, and then tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling nice, feeling nice. We got like 5 espresso martinis in. Gonna order farm in the Lambo real quick. You know how it goes. But yeah, let's pop in the Lamb. Look at that, bro. Come on. Come on. Who's this?
Oh yeah.
Windows down. Alright, little prickle. Technical action. Let's get it, boys. Fuck, Lambos just hit different, bro. I swear, Lambo, they just hit different, bro. Fuck, I love this shit, bro.
I know, right?
I live for this shit. Got that G63 in front. Terrorizing that shit, bro. Lambo v Lambo. We got a STO in front of us.
Yo, the GT3.
And we got a GT3 RS. Oh, he just ripped that shit, bro. It's the exposed bumper. Like, look at all these whips, bro. We just got Porsches, we got Lambs everywhere. We got everything, bro. Damn, shorty. Heard it with ever been in a Lamb?
Yo, that's the go-to line in this thing.
Ho, ho, ho. Hold up, back to Balans. Okay, I'll text her right now. I got you.
Guys, trading news calendar. We got the daily finance Wordle puzzle, portfolio, trading journal, live trading view integration right here, and the learn tab, the most important, where you can do flashcards. It's like the Duolingo for trading.
Right now.
This shit is mad sophisticated.
How do you even go live?
Yeah.
Blue band? Guys, why do I have a fruity ass drink right now? We should like swap. Porn star martini, first ever one. They told me to get it, so you know, I have to try my new shit. Cheers. You hear that shit?
Welcome to Miami, bro.
Welcome to Miami. Drink recommendations.
Water with ice, one of the best drinks.
Which one?
Water on ice.
Wow.
Oh wow, guys.
I wanted to update you guys. If you saw the previous videos on Polymarket, we were checking the Fed decision for the rate cuts. And so if we bet money, we would have been right. The Feds did drop the rates by 25 basis points. So there was definitely opportunity right there, and it definitely helps me analyzing the market in that way. But now if we pull up Polymarket again, and I usually like going to the finance or the crypto side of things, but on the finance, now we could see and we could bet on the Fed decision in January. So these are the current odds, 18% for another 25 basis points decrease. So if I click on this, you can see a little bit of the chart and we can literally bet against it. So right now the highest odds are going to be no changes. It's pretty cool. You can see literally the volume. We have about 2 million volume for that, 1.8 million volume for a 25. So it looks like the market right now is pricing in a no change. So I'm definitely going to use that to my analysis coming into the rest of this month and into January. I personally think the end of December price action is going to be a little bit slower. That's why you guys didn't see me take too much trades this trip. We still have the Express accounts with a nice balance where I could take, right now I think I could take about a $7,000 payout. And you guys saw my brother, just got him on the Express accounts. But it's going to be a slow kind of month. I'm going to really just preserve these accounts until January, because January usually just bangs, as well as February, March, April, all of that stuff. So I'm looking forward to 2026. It's going to be a crazy year to trade. Also guys, before we end the video, peep the founts on blue right now. Like this thing at night looks so nice. We got some like purple lights all the way at the back there. I zoom in. I think it's the 10X conference event, which is like Grant Cardone, if you guys know who that is, a big entrepreneur. It's pretty cool. But yeah guys, that is going to be the wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. In the New Year's, I do have some more cool travel plans. I really want to check out Dubai, so you guys might see a crazy Dubai vlog coming up. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.